Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 2000 Chevy Corvette. It was a Corvette come out of Arizona, 74,000 miles, automatic. Pretty nice car. We got some lint on the top there from some trees or whatever, but the interior is really good shape. It's got an aftermarket stereo. We're going to put a factory one in it. Bose, memory seats, power seat, power windows locked. Here's a downfall on it. A little bit of Arizona fading back here. So that's really the only issues. Otherwise, nice straight car and got a good shine to it. So if you want an affordable Corvette, my wife drives one of these. She really likes it. I've actually drove it all the way to North Carolina, so they ride really well. 605-695-7391.